What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Halloween makeup look that you can do that's super simple, super easy if you're trying to think of a Halloween costume. And I thought, why not do Rosie the Riveter? That is probably one of the easiest Halloween makeup looks that you can do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But before we get into the video, if this is your first time on my channel, hi, my name is Anam and I post videos up every single Friday about anything and everything, these makeup looks, reviews, things that I love. So if you like any of that, hit the subscribe button down below and join me. So you literally will not need a lot of products. As you can tell, I already do have my face done. This was like from earlier in the day, and I will tell you what I used. I used my Ilia foundation, and then I used concealer just under my eyes, just a little bit right here, and a couple dots where I had some acne scars. And then I used my bronzer, which is my absolute favorite, and I will be using a little bit more bronzer, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. I used some blush, which this is my absolute favorite color. It's like this orangey kind of a color, and then I set everything with my setting powder from them as well. And then I just did like a really nice little cat eye and then mascara and put some bronzer in my crease just to give it some definition. But that's basically my face, and what you're going to need for this look, if you do end up doing this look, is you do your regular foundation routine, and you don't even have to do the cat eyes. You can just put on a lot of mascara to make it look like you have a cat eye, and then a red lipstick. So I am going to do the lips, which is super easy. I'm going to hydrate my lips, and I have a mirror right in front of me, so that's why I'm looking down just a little bit. This is literally by far the best chapstick ever. I will post this down below because they're amazing. And when it comes to a red lip, I think it's really important to line your lips. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I think it just gives you some direction and a guideline, because sometimes doing a red lip is really hard. So I am using the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Jordy. It's this really pretty red color. I don't know if you can see it. I have used it, so it's a really great color. So let's line my lips and get them ready. And you could literally use this as a standalone color. It is a nice color, and this red, I think a red lip is just so classy. Great with almost any look. And you don't really need to do anything with the eyes or do too much of a look at the eyes, because that red lip is like a statement piece. So I'm going to do this. I'm just going to fill in the rest of my lip and spread that around. And then I'm going to use my favorite lip color. It's by Stila. It's their Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in the color Beso, which I think means kiss in Spanish. I could be wrong, but look how rich that color is. It's amazing. This stuff dries so quickly, and it's like my go-to when it comes to lip tints or lip colors. So I'm gonna put this on my lip just ever so slightly. Look at that color. I'm gonna move it around and just help line the rest of my lip. That is really out there. You can never go wrong with red lip. Okay, so that is like kind of pretty much the look, but I did say I was going to go back in with my bronzer, and let me actually give you the inspiration for the photo, because it is what I inspired this look with. So this is, you know, the classic Rosie the Riveter photo. Here it is. It is so nice. It's just that, you know, just strong, feminine, independent woman. And so from the picture, she kind of had like her cheekbones outlined a little bit more. So I'm going to just give a little bit more emphasis on that area, so it looks like, you know, I was kind of like out all day. So I'll just do it around the cheeks. On her jawline as well. It's just, it doesn't look like I have a dirty face, but you know, contouring like crazy. Okay, I am back. So now we're going to do the hair. So with the hair, we're going to take just this piece kind of off to the side. And I'm going to do like 2 rolls. So I'm going to do probably this much amount of hair. And then tie the rest back. Kind of like a low pony. And it can totally be messy because, you know, you're out and about. It's not like you're going to be pretty with this kind of a hair look. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now with these pieces of hair, I am going to do 2 little buns, and I have my bag of bobby pins. Bear with me, I look a little crazy. Okay, so I'm back. I decided to forward on with the curls because they were so hard actually to do, but you can see like the 2 curls and then you just pin them up. So I'm going to take this red cloth, which I literally just like found, and I'm just going to okay, so here is the look. Is actually so cute. I wish I had like a bigger bandana, and my head is kind of like shaped weird. Like it is so round that I need to like bobby pin this at the end. But let's complete the look with the shirt as well. Here is the completed look. Okay, I'm actually really stoked about how this turned out. It is so cute. Maybe I might just be Rosie the Riveter this year, but like, look at that. That is boss. But I hope you loves enjoyed just that, you know, quick kind of tutorial on how to do Rosie the Riveter. It's not perfect. This is just what I know, and honestly I just did everything on the fly. I was like, you know what, I'm going to create a video today of my rendition of what Rosie the Riveter looks like. I would definitely have to get like a full bandana. I just wanted to make sure and create this video for you so it's so easy to use. Honestly, I like took like a piece of clothing and I used this as a bandana, and then I used like one of my like jean kind of like button-up shirts as my like button-up, and you could just wear this with like high-waisted blue skinny jeans, cute little red pumps if you wanted to dress it up a little bit, or wear like, you know, white Vans just so you know you can walk around in whatever you're doing. But if you did like this video and this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more costume videos like this or just fun makeup tutorials, then let me know down below as well. But again, I will be linking everything that I used on my face down in the description box for you. So I hope you loves have an amazing week ahead. I'm looking forward to next week. I'm doing one more look next week, so stay tuned and find out what that's going to be. But I absolutely love you all so much.